Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing on the iPhone 15 Pro and some accessories from the company Benks. This is the screen protector with the mechanism, and we have two covers for the iPhone 15 Pro. First, let's take a quick look at the phone. I have already unboxed it because when I bought it I needed to see if the phone worked or not. This is the phone. I went with the blue color. Inside of the box we have a Type-C to Type-C braided cable. This one is different from the other cables that we find on the iPhone boxes. Here we have the Apple sticker, the SIM ejection tool, and some paperwork. This is the phone. Let's turn it on. Let's take a quick look at the phone. We have the Type-C charging port here, the speaker and the microphone. On the right side we have the power button. On the back we have the triple camera setup. On the left side we have the action button, the volume buttons, the SIM tray. Nothing on the top. In this point in time, I think that you have already seen most of the videos about the iPhone 15 Pro. I'm not going to talk about the iPhone right now. We will take a look at the accessories. Here we have the Glass Warrior screen protector, HD clarity and transparency, enhanced explosion proof, scratch resistant. Here in the back we have some more specifications. You can pause and read it if you want. The screen protector has an installation kit. Inside of this envelope we have the wet wipe, the dry wipe, and some stickers for dust, and this big sticker here. Basically you can just put this sticker here and clean the display, but since this phone is new I'm only gonna clean it with the dry wipe. And from what I can tell, I need to put the phone in this position here. Here we can tell by the power button cutout. And now I think that we need to pull this side right here. Now that we've pulled, as you can see, the screen protector is installing. Let's slide this one up. And now I think that the screen protector is installed. Now we just need to remove the installation kit. And as you can see, we've done a proper installation, no bubbles or anything. Okay, I must add that this screen protector feels very good in hand. This is how the screen protector will look. Nice. Okay, so now let's continue with the cases. We have two cases from Benks. These ones are built with Kevlar, thin and light, enhanced impact resistance. Let's open these up. Okay, my first impressions were that these two cases were the same, but obviously these are not. On this one we have the cutouts for the buttons, while on this one buttons are covered. This is the phone. Now let's check the cases with the phone. Okay, everything aligns perfectly. We have the camera protected. So when we leave the camera on the phone like this, it will be protected on the sides. Okay, this one feels very good in hand. Now let's try the other one. Here in the phone case you have the manual, how to install and how to disassemble. Now we are going to disassemble the case, and here it says that I need to push from the camera bump here. Push the case off just like this. Pretty easy. Now let's try the other case. This other case is slightly thicker than this one, but both have basically the same feeling in hand. Let's check the buttons. And as you saw, just like that, you can remove the cases. It's worth mentioning that these cases are both Magsafe compatible. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here, the circle. Now let me test Magsafe, but without putting the case into the phone. I have this wireless power bank. It's from Benks also. And this one has a Magsafe. This was for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I've done that on a separate video. And as you can see, it clips and it won't move. I also have a kickstand on the power bank, but let's try it with the phone inside of the case. And as you can see, it works and it is charging the phone right now. We can leave the phone like this if we want to. No problem. Now let's try the other case. This one is thinner. And as you can see, it clips and the phone doesn't move. The magnets are strong in the phone and in the power bank. Okay, so that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.